6-foot tusks can be a pain in the backside. Each desperate for a drink. One calf is already on his last legs. He needs over 20 pints of milk a day, but his mother has run dry. His begging tests the patience of even the gentlest giants. None of the females have anything to give. Eventually, one of them's had enough. The little calf is too weak to go on. But the matriarch will not give up on him. She coaxes him back to his feet. Then signals the herd to get moving. She stays close by the youngster's side to make sure he's safe.